Hey guys, what's up? This is iTechAwan here. So the iPhone XR was released at the September 12th, 2018 Apple event with the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. It makes complete sense of why the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max have the names they do, since after most of the flagship iPhones with just a number, Apple would release a refreshed iPhone a year later with the addition of an S in front of that number, like 4 to 4S, 5 to 5S, 6 to 6S, and recently 10 to 10S. Apple has somewhat had an organized line of iPhone names, with the exception of iPhone 3G, which by the way wasn't even the third iPhone, it was the second, iPhone 5C, iPhone SE, and now the iPhone XR. This disruption of an otherwise systematic lineup of iPhone names have been a big mystery since forever. So what do the 3G, S, and R actually stand for? Turns out they don't really have any meaning. Apple Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing, Phil Schiller, told Engadget in an interview that the letters Apple chooses for their products don't really have any meaning behind them, including the puzzling name for this year's iPhone, the iPhone XR. Schiller did explain in the interview what the letters actually meant for him. He went into talking about his love for cars and explained how big car companies like Mercedes-Benz and Porsche both denote their fast cars with R or S-class vehicles. But the letters in Apple's products weren't always a mystery though. Back when Apple unveiled the iPhone 3GS, Schiller himself said at the event that the S simply stands for speed. Don't believe me? Take a look for yourself.
And that's why I'm really excited to tell you about an entirely new version, the iPhone 3GS. Now the S simply stands for speed, because this is the most powerful, fastest iPhone we've ever made.
And when the iPhone 4S was released in 2011, CEO Tim Cook said that the S stood for Siri. Apple stopped explaining the name starting with the release of the iPhone 5S and the 5C back in 2013, and remained silent until the release of the iPhone SE, when Schiller said in an interview that the SE stood for Special Edition. But now we are back to the confusion of what the letters mean within the new lineups of XS, XS Max, and the iPhone XR. Although the R could simply mean an R according to Apple, can you come up with an explanation of what the R could possibly stand for? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Until next time guys, take care.